Are you ready for the holiday sales season? Black Friday shopping is fast approaching. I love the holidays, and if you're a product-based clothing and accessory business, this is your time of the year. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about all the ways you can prepare for the holiday season for your small business. I'm Trudi Roach. I'm a fashion merchandiser and brand coach, and I help you grow your clothing and accessory business with product positioning, content, and sales strategies, so you never have to worry about where your next sale is coming from. And don't forget to stick around until the end, because I'm going to share the surprise tip, really the number one thing you can do that's going to impact how you run your business throughout the holidays. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to think about is stocking up on all of your best-selling items. So you're probably going to be promoting lots of new things, maybe you have seasonal items, but there are probably things in your assortment that you sell every day and that you know are consistent winners in your brand. So those are the pieces that you want to make sure you have really good inventory on. You don't have to go overboard, but look back at history. Make sure you have those things in stock. And now's the time to start to think about that, because as we get towards the end of the year and also closer to the holidays, shipping and the distribution on some of your items, some of your materials, if you're a maker, might start to get a little bit scarce. The shipping to you as a brand owner may also start to slow down. So it's really important that you look ahead and plan for that right now. So just look at your inventory, look at your recent bestsellers, and think about the quantities that you're going to need to have in place as you approach the holiday season. Let me know in the comments what bestsellers you have in your business that you're going to stock up with this holiday season. The next thing you want to think about stocking up on is actually shipping supplies. So any boxes, packaging, tissue paper, if you have special gift wrap for the season, special tags, anything that you're going to need to use to get your products out quickly, efficiently, and in a beautiful way to your customers, you're going to want to make sure you stock up on now. And now, again, is also the time when any of your suppliers are going to be facing higher demand. So this is one thing not to sleep on, because you might miss out. And you probably have some really great ideas that you want to share with your customers, and you may be offering specials, free gift wrapping, whatever that is. Start to think about it now so that you don't run into problems as you get closer to the season. The next thing to put in place as you prepare for the holiday season is to figure out how you're going to warn or alert your customers to any shipping deadlines or delays. So that might look like website banners. It might look like alerts on specific products or product pages. You can email this out to your email list so your customers are aware, and you might have to remind them and tell them a couple of times. You may have different deadlines for express shipping. You might also have your own deadlines if you're offering free shipping for any of your products this season. But as we get closer and closer into the holidays, that shipping timeline is going to really tighten up. So you're going to have some benchmarks in place that you can really share with your customer as you go along in the season as well. And don't be afraid to really kind of over communicate with your customer base, whether that's additional emails or you're posting on social, whatever that is, to kind of think about over communicating so that no one feels like they're getting left out or kind of getting stuck. So stellar customer service is really one of the things that can make and break your holiday season. So really think about how you're going to communicate from now through to when you finish selling. All right, the next thing that you can do to prepare for a stellar holiday selling season is to think about creating as much content and sharing as you possibly can. You might already be doing, you probably are already doing your weekly posts, emails, anything that you're doing to send your brand message out into the world to your customers. But now, as we approach the holidays, you really want to think about amping that up. So whether that is showing live tutorials, demonstrations, speaking to customers, anything that you can do to add to the process so people can really see products in action. They can get a sense of what your products are going to look like as a gift, what your products are going to look like if people are wearing them out for special occasions. So don't underestimate. Often your customer is on the fence and may need to see your product or a couple of different ways, or how to wear it a couple of different ways or use it, and a bunch of different gift ideas. So whether that is showing your product in a gift box, showing someone unboxing the product, showing it on a body if that's not something that you regularly do. So think of all of the ways that you can just kind of amp up your presence, your social media, and your marketing throughout this whole season. And I would recommend that you kind of sit down with a piece of paper or a digital notebook and kind of plot that all out and have some fun with it. And just think of those stories that you can tell. Again, leading with value, sharing all the aspects of your product with your customers throughout the season. So the next thing to do to prepare for the holidays is to think about communicating absolutely everything. So there are kind of two parts to this. The first part is to communicate to your audience and your customers. So we mentioned shipping deadlines, you can communicate low inventory, you can communicate if there are shipping delays, anything that you run into that is a surprise to you in your business. Don't sit on it, share it. You'd be surprised how understanding your customers can be if they realize that you're doing everything in your power to get their product to them. So the other phase of this is really to think about communicating to everyone around you what your needs are over the holiday season. And that could be to your team, that could be to any virtual assistants, anyone supporting your business, but it also could be to friends and family. You might need a little help shipping and packing, asking a family member to help you take packages to the post office, whatever it is. And you might even grab someone in to help you with social media, filming products, whatever needs you have. But don't wait until the last minute. Communicate and be really transparent, not just with your customers, but with everybody that's supporting your business throughout the season. Okay, so let's summarize before I get into that last bonus tip that's going to impact how you run everything this holiday season. So, how are you going to get ready and prepare for the holiday sales season ahead? The first thing you're going to do is to stock up on your best-selling items. The next thing you're going to do is stock up on all your shipping and packing supplies, and that includes gift wrap, any special tags. The next thing you're going to do is to think about all the ways that you're going to warn or alert your customers to shipping deadlines or anything else that's going on in your business when it comes to getting product out to customers. Next, think about how you're going to create as much content as you can from now right through the holiday season. And this can cover things broadly for your brand, but also be specific to products. And then you want to make sure that you have a plan in place where you're communicating as often as you need to and with full transparency to your customers as you move through the season, as well as to your friends and family. Okay, my bonus tip for having a great holiday season in your business is not actually in your business. It's to take care of yourself and practice a little self-care. So that looks different for everybody, but you want to make sure you're doing something other than just focusing on sales, shipping, revenue, growing your business throughout the holidays. You want to enjoy your holidays a little bit as well and take some time to step away from your desk, your computer, take a walk, get out in the sunshine, get out in the cold air, whatever that is, move around, eat well, just look after yourself, and overall it's going to really impact the way you feel about your business and your holidays. And also it will help you have a little bit more stamina when you need it, when things get really busy and you get those sales rolling in, to have a really productive season. So practice a little self-care. If you want some more information about getting your online shop ready for the holiday season, check out this video. I'll leave a link below. And also join me live in October for a sales planning workshop for the holidays. And I'm going to leave that link below and you can sign up to save your seat. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.